Hebbal now open in Bengaluru. Bengaluru's first Apple store will offer personalized support and unique experiences for customers to discover Apple's lineup of products and services. Bengaluru, India. Apple today previewed its newest store in India, Apple Hebbal, located in the technology capital of Bengaluru. The store will be Apple's first in South India and third in the country, joining Apple BKC in Mumbai and Apple Saket in Delhi and the Apple Store online. Apple Hebbal will be a welcoming space for customers to shop Apple's full lineup of products, experience the best service and support, and participate in Free Today at Apple sessions to discover and learn how to get the most out of their devices. We are delighted to open Apple Hebbal, a community hub that celebrates Bengaluru's spirit of innovation, said Deirdre O'Brien, Apple's Senior Vice President of Retail and People. We can't wait to connect with people here and inspire them to create, collaborate, and do amazing things with Apple. We are excited to continue to bring Apple experiences to customers across India who inspire us with their creativity and passion. Designed for Bengaluru's vibrant community. At Apple Hebbal, customers can explore the latest products, including the iPhone 16 lineup, MacBook Pro powered by the M4 family of chips, iPad Air with Apple Pencil Pro, and Apple Watch Series 10, as well as accessories like AirPods 4 and AirTag. Visitors are invited to explore the surrounding product tables and avenues, book a personalized shopping session with an Apple specialist, and receive expert support at the Genius Bar. The dedicated Apple pickup area lets customers easily collect their online orders at a time that's convenient for them. The store's 70 team members hail from 15 states across India and are ready to help customers learn about Apple products, monthly financing options, and the Apple Trade-in program. Customers can receive one-on-one support in store with personal setup and switching to iOS. Like all Apple facilities, Apple Hebbal runs on 100% renewable energy and is carbon neutral, supporting creativity and businesses in Bengaluru. Apple Hebbal will be an exciting hub for inspiration and education, offering free, daily Today at Apple sessions for all customers, from students to creatives and business owners. Led by Apple creatives, these sessions help customers get started with their devices or learn new skills, whether it's taking better photos on iPhone, understanding Apple Intelligence, or learning how to draw with Apple Pencil on iPad. Group booking is also available for families, friends, or business teams looking to expand their skills or create together as a collective. Participants can register for a Today at Apple session at apple.com/in/today. To support the vibrant, entrepreneurial spirit of Bengaluru, startup founders and business owners of any size are welcome to connect with Apple's dedicated business team. At Apple Hebbal, Business Pros.